Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're gonna make some toy robots. Let's get into it.
A robot! I like a robot!
Now that school is out and summer is officially upon us, I figured it's time that we jump into some projects that the whole family can enjoy. For my robots, I'm going to be using some scrap pieces of butcher block and some 4x4 cutoffs. These little robots are a great way to use up some random scraps because you can make them any size you want. I cut some 2.5-inch square blocks for the body and head and some 1.25-inch blocks for the hands and feet. After all the pieces were cut, it was time to drill some holes for the string to go through. I made sure to only drill halfway through the blocks that I'm going to use for the hands and the feet. I used a Forstner bit to drill out some spots to make the eyes, and I also cut a small slot for the mouth. I picked up some paracord from the local hardware store to use for the string to assemble each robot. A popular technique for making these robots is to drill the holes all the way through the blocks of wood and then tie the strings off with knots. But I didn't want any knots on my robots, so I used some skewers and wood glue to fasten the cord in the holes. Paracord unravels pretty easily when it's cut, so I used a lighter after each cut to keep it from unraveling. If you're making smaller robots, then hot glue should be plenty strong enough to hold the strings in the holes. Because the neck area would be too small for me to try to get a skewer in there, I drilled out the hole at the top of the head with a larger bit so I could secure the cord in place and then use a dowel to plug the hole. I didn't add any finish on my robots, but if you make these same robots, make sure that you use a finish that is food safe. To add a little something extra to the eyes, I took some small crafting beads and cut them in half and hot glued them in place. You can also get these crafting beads already cut in half. I'll leave a link to them in the description below. Alright, our little toy robots are complete and I'm really happy with how they came out. As you can see, I built two. I built the original one with the red arms, and then I used some green and blue string for the second one. And I used much shorter strings on the second one, and I think I like that a lot more because this one with the long strings, I thought it might look cool if it's in standing position, but when it's just sitting here, it kind of looks like a robot monkey because the arms are so long. But anyways, they're both pretty cool. The thing that I love about this project is that it is so versatile. You could paint these or put stickers on them, maybe hot glue some nuts and bolts on them, just do whatever you want to them, make them very unique. You could make them bigger or smaller. It's a really fun project that you can take in all different kinds of directions. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this project. And we work on a new project every week, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much for watching, be safe, and have a great day.